It's a pure beauty, right? Welcome to Insect World and Nature again. In this episode, we will tell you about this beautiful butterfly. Papilio polynister. The blue mormon is a large swallowtail butterfly found in South India and Sri Lanka. In India, it is restricted to the Western Ghats, Southern India and the East Coast. It is also recorded in Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Gujarat, Sikkim and Kerala. It's really large with wingspan of 120 to 150 mm. It's just gorgeous, with male having the upper wings rich velvety black and the hind wing having blue color in the terminal 3/4 half. The underside of wing is black with the base of the cell in the forewing as an elongated spot of dark red. 5 irregular small red patches are present at the base of hind wing. The outer 3/4 of the hind wing is grey touched with ochraceous, but generally narrower than the blue on the upper side. Female is very similar to male, but the colors are a little paler. It frequently visits flowers, especially of dhobi, jungle geranium, jasmine and Chinese violet trees. Periodically raids thicker forest patches, especially where Atlantia species are to be found in search of females to mate with. It has a rapid unidirectional flight and frequently changes course, hopping up and down in its flight path. It's difficult to catch and known to bask in the sun. Attracted to damp patch, blue mormon has greater tolerance to other butterflies and humans while lapping up the mineral-rich moisture. Have a close look to this beauty. The little caterpillar mimics a bird dropping with its olive green body and white uric acid like markings. The sheen enhances its resemblance to fresh bird dropping. While small in size, this camouflage permits the caterpillar to rest on the center of a leaf and nibble around the edges. Later, its growing size forces it to keep on twigs and the undersides of leaves except when it is feeding on leaves. It moves slowly and haltingly. This is probably the second install larvae. The osmeterium is a defensive organ found in all papilionid larvae in all stages. The organ is situated in the prothoracic segment and can be everted when the larva feels threatened. The everted organ resembles a red fleshy forked tongue, and this along with the large eye-like spots on the body might be used to startle birds and small reptiles. This butterfly is most common in heavy rainfall areas such as evergreen forest. It is also common in deciduous forest and wooded urban areas, primarily due to the cultivation of its host plants, that is, the citrus species. In June 2015, the blue mormon was declared as the state butterfly of the state Maharashtra and became the first state in India to have a state butterfly. This is the largest and most beautiful butterfly we have found till date. We are glad to share it with you. Let us know in the comment below how much you liked it and what kind of insect videos you want. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.